Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to check for updates and keep your Windows PC up to date. Let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. And so the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have your window icon. Right click on it and this is going to pop up. Make sure you go to settings. And the next thing you need to do is to go to update and security right here. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Right here, you can see right here, your device is missing out important security and quality fixes. So what you need to do right here is to simply click on check for update. Then you have to run it on internet. So once you click on check for update, the PC is going to be it goes to start checking for updates and update all the security patch and fix some of the bugs you may have in your Windows PC. This is very much important as it keeps your PC running smoothly and continue to improve in performance each time you are checking for updates and keep your PC up to date. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.